A staggered stance, left leg forward, that left arm's gonna come across the leg that's forward. We're gonna use that upper body first to create a spin to the other side. That's 1, 2. Again, we're creating a chain of energy where the whole body responds to the first movement, right? My upper body's moving, my core is following. Again, hip to shoulder separation, creating a chain of energy. Good. 10 total reps. How many is that, James? All right. 4. Good. 5. Good full spin and stick the landing as usual. Full spin. It's really important to remember it's the arm on the side of the leg that's forward that comes across and creates the pull and the spin. That's 10. All right. We jump right into roll back broad jumps. We're gonna roll all the way back, and then you can use your hands to get all the way up and then create a broad jump from there, all right? We're just gonna do 3 of these, all right? Roll back. If you have to use your hands to get yourself up, good, that's perfect. If you gotta use your hands to get yourself up onto your feet, that's fine. Then use your broad jump, all right? Roll back. Good job, Justine, that's awesome. You almost jumped all on top of me, that's great.